Hey guys, today's Morse code is Ethereum. Alright, so click here 3 times. Now the delay cipher has loaded. Now for E, tap once, then long tap for T, tap 4 times for H, tap once for E, tap once, long tap, tap once for R, tap once for E, tap, long tap for U, long tap for M. The code is cracked. You are a real detective, so take the prize. Now our 1 million coin is activated. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment for us if you are facing any problem. See you next time.